What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I feel like I'm always in my car recording, like that's how I always start off the video. I don't know, it's like a go-to thing to do, how to start my videos off, which is pretty funny. Today what we're gonna do is I am driving into town. I'm going to the shop, go see Oscar, and Lane is awesome. I saw the video, I gave him thumbs up, I commented, I subscribed to his channel, so I need y'all to go do that. Go subscribe to his channel. I will leave his channel at the end of the video, so make sure to go watch his video, like his video, comment on his video, and subscribe, guys, because the content that he's going to be coming out with is going to be so fucking dope. I can already see it, I already know it, and just from what I saw in his video, he was describing or telling the viewers what he wants to do with YouTube. It's going to be awesome, so make sure to go and watch his video. And once I get there, I think I have a little surprise that showed up at the shop for me from a subscriber that got me something, which is pretty cool. And after that, I'm gonna go buy some stamps. I'm gonna go get an envelope, and then I will be shipping off the 3 stickers for the winner who won the 100 sub giveaway. I also want to say thank you guys for putting me past 100 subscribers. Currently, I am at 157 subs right now, and I am going up, and it's fucking dope. 250 is the next goal, which is super close because I'm like literally almost less than 100 away. We're gonna do this, we're gonna get there. After we hit 250, 500 is the next goal. Super stoked. New content's coming out and shit, so get ready, guys, get ready. So I'll see you at the shop. At work, we have an auditor here, so I'm not allowed to be here all on my days off. But I just came in to tell Oscar congratulations on starting his YouTube channel, and I'm so excited and happy for him doing that. Like, he's been wanting to do this for a while, just like me. So I'm very glad that he did this, because maybe one day me and him can do a collab video on doing some stuff. So it'd be pretty dope to see that. So make sure to leave a comment if you'd like to see a collab video with Oscar. Oh shit, it's fucking raining. Today I will be putting on some car parts on the IS today. Wait, what car parts? So I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna go get real quick, and then I'm also gonna go send off the envelope. Huxon, your stickers are on the way. Hope you like them. These are it right here. I'm missing the waifu one. I didn't put the waifu one because I thought something else.
Crossover for $21.9, and when you buy a new Honda from Victory, you also get a lifetime powertrain warranty and 2 years of special maintenance absolutely free.
Well, guys, I made it to Target, so I'll see you guys in there. Do I have the camera backwards? Yep. Should I get all of these? Oh shit. I think we're gonna get these guys. I'll just leave that there. Be a good guy and put them back. Well, guys, I got everything I needed. I have stamps right here. Yep. Open it. 3 stickers. So all 3 stickers are in there. Look away, guys. Just look away. Tongue skills. See you at the post office. Is it this it? Do I send it in here? I'm kind of scared. What if it doesn't go? What if it doesn't go? What if he never gets his sticker? Do I just do it? Do it, Sean. No. No, don't do it. It's scary. Fuck it. Well, there goes the sticker. Hope you get them, man. I know it's raining outside. Well, it's not raining. It just stopped. But the reason why I'm here, I'm not going to give my car a full bait down. But anyways, I'm just going to wash it real quick. Get all this mud off. That's because I live out in the country. And the reason why, because the install video needs all this cleaned. all of it clean. Not all of it, but it needs to be clean. Because what I'm gonna be doing is, I'll show y'all later. Look guys, who's that? My girl Asuna. Oh, 02. Damn, my car needs to be clean, dude. All this fucking dirt, mud, so dirty. So I picked this sticker up at ATV. I know where she's from, but I don't know the name of it. I know it's a game for the PS4. So guys, if you know her name and what the game's name is, leave a comment down below, because I really want to know this fucking game, because she's so dope, dude. She's fucking hot. Well guys, I'm gonna get cleaning, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Boom, now she's clean. All nice and clean, guys. Oh, 02. So guys, we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna go unwrap that package, so I'll see you at home. So, Jose opened the package. That motherfucker. But anyways, a subscriber bought me this, which is pretty cool. Bought me a... Oh my god, dude. This is so crazy. So I guess we'll be fucking installing this. It's thick. You can fuck someone up with this shit. What I'm gonna go do, I'm gonna go get a heat gun, aka a blow dryer, and then I'm gonna make this super flimsy so it'll be easier to install on the car. Alright guys, I have it all nice and flimsy to the best I did. So what I'm going to be doing now is trying to install it. Let's see. So I put black tape where I want to have it set. And what I'm going to do is rip it off while I put it on as I go. So wish me luck. So guys, the method I'm using is just lining it up, pulling them out, pulling these little tap things out, and that's it. I mean, it's an easy install, but you can fuck up if you're not knowing what you're doing. I do not know what I'm doing. I'm just going along how it goes. I mean, so far it's pretty easy, and it looks like it's lining up perfect. So I don't want to jinx myself. I wish I had more parts to go right here, but it's alright. I mean, looks really good how I'm doing it right now. So let's finish it. Probably won't be keeping this on here. Actually, you know what? I will be keeping this on here because later on down the road, I want to get a carbon fiber duck bill trunk. They have it for this car, and it's about $800, but I'm willing to wait for it, and I really want it. I can't wait to get that, so maybe soon, hint hint, soon, try and get it for us. I think it will look super dope. Guys, it's all done. This thing about a week until it falls off, but it looks super dope. You're on the tripod, guys. That fake carbon fiber though, looking really clean. So install video done. We're gonna go back to the shop, let Jose and them look at it, get their feedback on it, and see what they say about it. Stuff on there. Crazy how much of a difference the car has now. Alright guys, I'll see you at the shop. Thing ready. Trunk looking sick with that carbon fiber trunk lip. Nice. Fire, bro. Fucking fire. Well guys, I am at the shop. Jose's not here, but I do got Oscar to give me some feedback on the trunk lip. What do you think about it, man?
I think it looks good, man. It matches the car pretty well. So definitely gives it a different little attitude a little bit.
Gives the booty a little more.
Yeah, a little more.
That's pretty cool. So guys, I just want to say Oscar started his channel, so make sure to go subscribe, also like and comment, leaving some feedback for his very first channel, guys. I'm so excited, dude. I'm so ready to see the next video.
Oh yeah, it's coming out soon too.
Ooh, stoked. Well guys, I guess I'm just gonna end it there. So remember to like, comment,
Subscribe.
I'll see you on the next one.